In this video, I will show you how to fix Android Auto if it's not working. First, open your settings and search for Android Auto, then click on it as I'm tapping. From there, make sure you have allowed all permissions for Android Auto. After that, tap on Start Android Auto automatically and also check the option for Default set by the car. Then go back and tap on the Android Auto app again. Here, make sure all permissions are allowed. Next, tap on Storage and Cache and clear both the cache and the storage. Once you've done that, check if the problem is resolved. If the issue is still there, make sure your Android version is up to date. Check if there is an update available for your phone, and if there is, update it. After completing these steps, your Android Auto problem should be 100% fixed. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.